Hey guys, it's me Larsa. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I have someone super special, my dear friend from Delhi. All the way from Delhi because of this lockdown. तू इतनी डरी हुई क्यों लग रही है?
My eyes always look like I'm
Rapid fire game.
oh, a cute boy.
What the hell? Golgappa.
What? कैसे questions है यार? Most पागल.
So diplomatic.
Oh my god.
Sejal, you just said you don't like rush in your life and you've moved to Mumbai. We are doing a FaceTime kind of a collab, and we did one on her channel as well. It was a fun video that we did together. And this is Sejal. If you don't know Sejal, I don't know what you're doing on YouTube. You should know who Sejal is. And Sejal, in this video, we are going to be talking about random stuff. तू इतनी डरी हुई क्यों लग रही है?
मैं डरी हुई नहीं हूँ. I was waiting for you to finish. Hi guys. Hi. Thanks Larsa for having me on your channel. Second time on your no, this is my first time on your channel. Second time.
Second time.
You've been on my channel like many times, like in vlogs and like in a bunch. Like when I'd come to Bombay to stay at your house, I was vlogging. You were in the vlog, and I vlogged even when you weren't there in your house. So we've done a bunch of collabs together. So thanks for having me again, and I'm excited to do this random chatty video with you.
Very honestly, I collaborate very less, which is a very bad thing for YouTube. But still, we've managed to do this like for the second time, and I'm really thrilled about it because I've known Sejal for quite a long time. And how long has it been, Sejal? Let me question you.
So when I started out, I used to watch Larsa's YouTube channel a lot, and I really wanted to collab with her. And so I had no way of reaching out to her. And I had asked someone in the YouTube office, you know, that how can I collab? How can I collab? So I wrote her an email on her official email ID, which she never responded to till today.
मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं वो.
Like, हाँ, उसे पढ़ा ही नहीं वो. And I, you know, like asked like, hey Larsa, I'm a big fan of your work. Is it okay if we can collab? And I sent her like links of my YouTube channel, etc. And no reply. But that's fine. That's fine. I don't hold it.
That was long ago. It was long ago.
A really long time ago. But it's okay. It's fine. Because when we actually met, Larsa is like the most chill person you will ever meet. Most genuine, most cheerful, most pagal. So we met at the GoPro Goa trip. And we were sitting in a circle of like everyone, and everyone was chilling, partying, having fun. And all of us had like a little bit to drink, and then she bit my face, and that's why I knew that she's the most chill person ever, and she's very, very like chill and real and genuine. So
Sejal,
that's how we became friends.
You're just saying we were sitting in a circle and she bit my face. Like, what the hell? We drank a lot and then we were dancing and having fun. And you know, I was actually like bonding with Sejal. So that's the thing that I do with people I actually love, or like my close friends, you know, at a party or anything. And then I just felt really comfortable with her, so I bit her. That's why.
And मैं थोड़ा डर गई थी. I was like, oh, but then I thought it was a very genuine thing to do, and I find that really nice and like just like genuine. So I really like that.
Are you crying?
No, my eyes always look like I'm not crying. I'm very strong.
So
like,
yeah, so that explains that was your first impression. For me, I think when I met Sejal, my first impression was like she's like so together, like she's put herself, how do I explain it? She's all put together, you know, कि हाँ मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है, this is this ये है, बस everything is sorted in life. It looked like that. I don't know, it looked like that to me. And yeah, we did a lot of running around during the GoPro thing.
Yeah, and actually Larsa helped me film a video of mine also. सुबह 6 बजे उठ के, which I am so thankful for till today.
It was my first time. If I said no, it would look damn this, so I had to do it. I was like, अभी सुबह उठ के करो. What do you think of this whole social media game right now, Sejal? Like, how are you so consistent on YouTube? Like, I get this thing a lot ki arey you're not consistent, and I see that you have this schedule of putting 2 videos a week.
Yeah, I mean, in the first 2-3 years of my channel, this twice a week thing was like, it was like I had to do it, and it was just a thing that मैंने मतलब बस ठान लिया था कि मैं कर रही हूँ. But after 2018, when my whole breakup and all happened, so I think after that I just got really tired, and I thought, dude, I need to like chill out a little bit and not push myself so hard. So for a year, last year, I was doing just one video a week, and after this lockdown, I thought, no, like I think I'm ready to go back to that whole twice a video a week thing and post on Instagram and do this and that. But to be very honest, it drives me insane. Like I have like days every week where I self-doubt a lot, and I'm just like, what am I even doing this for? Like I just want to sit and write songs, and like I just want to make my own web series. Like why am I making weekly content? And it's just like I just have this existential crisis all the time. But I spoke to a bunch of other people also, and I keep asking you also, and Ranveer, and like whoever else I can ask questions, and everyone goes through the same thing.
Ranveer is
I
like
guess
a
it's not just
papa
me.
to all of us, I think.
Anyone who I feel will give me an honest answer, I usually just ask them, you know. So that's it, yeah. But how about you?
Very honestly, lockdown, the first month was fine, and I was at my parents' place, which is like 20 minutes away, so it was okay. But you know, then mera bahut like my content creation went down. मेरे पास बहुत content था already, so I was editing those and putting those. So 1 month ऐसे ही चला गया. But जब content खत्म हो गया and I had to shoot, like you know, my parents' house is really nice, but then I have set this place as my own studio. You know, the whole house is a studio. So it became really hard to shoot there. I'm like, I can't do this anymore. I have to move again. So I left the place and I came here, and then I had to cook all my food. When I came here, it just hit rock bottom. Food was too much to do, and even though like I cook well, I was like, I don't want to cook anymore. And you know, I had like a very bad mental breakdown. So I went a little slow with posting on Instagram and whatever, but I kept the YouTube thing going on. I said, you know, this time, like, let's use this opportunity, and it's helped me. It's helped me a lot in this lockdown. And just reminding people again ki, hello, Larissa bhi hai YouTuber. So it's been hard, but then now I have a friend who's come over and who stays with me for a while, but we need our space, तो कभी कोई जाती है वापस आ जाती है. So it's fun, but it can get a little too much also, because कुछ करने को motivation होता नहीं है. There's nothing to look forward to. There's no end goal कि ठीक है इसके बाद खत्म हो जाएगा lockdown. We don't know what's going to happen. तो अभी मुझे से थोड़ा anxiety भी हो रहा है. How has the vacation been?
Yeah, so for me, like I've thought of it as like a vacation only. Mera working out has been back on track. I started like focusing more on my mental health, and just that I don't like that crazy rush in life. I don't think like I'm built for that. मुझे आराम से चीज़ें करना अच्छा लगता है. So I like this a lot better. So I'm dreading.
But Sejal, you just said you don't like rush in your life, and you've moved to Mumbai. How has that been for you?
No, it was nice. It was nice. I was liking living alone, and I was liking the whole thing. But when I came back here, I was like, oh my god, dude. घर पे रहना इतना easy होता है, and यहाँ पे like मेरे bathroom में shower है अच्छा सा, and you know, oh god, yeah. But I mean, I've also learned a lot of things. So when I come back, I'll get a flat that's more suited to like comfort and not like sacrifice. So I'll try and change my flat like that.
I'm the happiest that you've moved to Mumbai. Tell me one thing. Is it like what would you choose? Would you want to be a famous YouTuber from India, or would you want to be a famous pop star, like a singer?
I feel like I want to be a YouTuber only, but I want to be doing all these other things that I like. Like I don't like कि किसी पे ऐसे label लगा दो कि तुम तो सिर्फ actor हो या तुम तो सिर्फ यही हो या वो हो. And अभी वैसे भी in my opinion थोड़ी industry भी change हो रही है कि जैसे हम जैसे लोग हम अपनी खुद की चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, अपने चैनल पे डाल सकते हैं. We can sing also, we can do this and that also, and I think अगले 5-6 साल में ऐसे ही लोग आएंगे जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, and वो एक चीज़ से लिमिटेड नहीं है. तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But if I was in America, like I would have loved to just be like Ariana Grande. I love singing, I love performing. I was doing that since school, so that would have been really nice. What is your, like when you started out, did you have like a thing in your head that this is what you want to be, and that's why you're doing YouTube, or did you want to be like a YouTuber? Like, what's your dream?
See, I want to be, very as cliched as it may sound, I just want to be happy with whatever I'm doing. So goals wise मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं है कि मैं एक दिन ऐसी बड़ी यूट्यूबर बनूंगी या एक दिन बड़ी ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर बनूंगी, ऐसे मैंने सोचा ही नहीं है. I've just felt कि you know life has for me has always been a crazy journey, you know, कभी कुछ भी हो जाता है and like anything comes up all of a sudden. So I have stopped, you know, thinking about the future. I'm just like going with the flow, and I think that's, and even, you know, like I think we connect on many levels because we keep doing a lot of different things. Yeah, and it's like multi-genre channel, and मुझे वो भी पसंद है. Like I can't stick to one thing because I get bored firstly, and secondly because मुझे आता है पता है like इतना सारा चीज़ करने को, तो I'm like अरे why should I shut it down? And it's been such a thing कि it's this thing कि एक ही पकड़ के एक ही चीज़ करो. So I feel कि not कि you know people say कि एक ही niche पकड़ के उसको ही उसके ऊपर ही तुम ज़्यादा content बनाओ and like keep one genre, and that definitely helps to grow. But I think अगर तुम्हारी खुशी बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने में है तो why not?
Yeah, I mean, you have to choose something that makes you happy, but I also sometimes think that, you know, like maybe I should have one thing that I focus on, but I always come back to the fact that it's great to be like, you know, multi-talented, and it's great to have so many things to offer, because at the end of the day, if someone subscribes to you, or even if I subscribe to you, like I'll do it for you, you know, you, the human.
The branding is a very different thing altogether when it's just for the person.
Yeah, and like, you know, the way you show me how to do a DIY and you show me a travel vlog, I can't show my viewers the same way. So if I like you, Larissa, then I'll subscribe to you, you know.
So okay, last thing we can discuss about Sejal. What do you think of the whole YouTube versus TikTok thing?
Listen, like I just think that like it just went too crazy and it went really overboard. I personally love YouTube as a platform because everything that I have in life is because of YouTube. But I know as an upcoming platform also TikTok is a really fun platform to be. But I think उसके साथ थोड़ी सी issues हैं कि उस पर बहुत problematic content है. तो I think TikTok को as a platform वो filter करना चाहिए. And you know ताकि लोग उससे influence ना हो.
But I think problematic things तो YouTube पे भी है. There are so many problematic things even on YouTube. I mean, like people should even look at that.
But I feel like YouTube like काफ़ी टाइम से है मार्केट में, तो उनकी जो वो पॉलिसीज हैं ऑफ लाइक कम्युनिटी गाइडलाइंस स्टाफ वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
So I have a last thing for you. I have like a fun rapid fire game. Yay! Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. Long hair or short hair?
Oh, long hair.
Delhi or Mumbai?
Mumbai.
अरे दिल जीत लिया. Oh my god. Awesome. Okay. Cute boy or hot boy?
Genuine boy.
ये क्या है? So you have to choose from cute boy or hot
अच्छा
boy.
यार. Cute boy. Hot boy is.
Okay, ठीक है. वड़ा पाव और गोलगप्पा?
गोलगप्पा. Any day.
Yeah, even I actually. Indian food or Italian food?
Indian food.
साड़ी और लहंगा?
Oh, लहंगा.
Summer or winter?
Winter. दिल्ली की सर्दी. It's the best.
Cuddles with me or cuddles with Komal?
कैसे questions है यार? Cuddles with no one because I hate being cuddled.
You have to answer this. Cuddles with me or cuddles with Komal?
Both of you guys are very, तुम दोनों के cuddles बहुत cute से होते हैं.
So
मेरे
diplomatic.
थोड़े crazy होते हैं, उसके बहुत graceful से होते हैं.
So diplomatic. Get lost. Hey, wait. Drinking with me or traveling with me?
Drinking. It's damn fun.
Okay, last question, which is a very difficult one. Who is your YouTube BFF? Larissa or Ranveer? I'm only giving you two options.
Larissa. Ranveer is my YouTube guru.
Yeah. Alright, so I think this was it. This video was so much fun, Sejal, and I hope you enjoyed.
I did. It was really fun filming both of our collabs. We got to talk to each other after so many months because of these videos, so I'm very happy about that.
Yeah, that's so true. But I'm glad we did this, and I'm really happy that you are a part of my video, Sejal. This is our second collab. I think that speaks a lot already.
That's really sweet. I'm really happy as always. You're a super chill, super genuine person. I like to spend time with you regardless of the videos, and this is just a fun way of just doing videos as is. So thank you for having me, and see you soon.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you do like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Sejal's channel as well. There is a video on her channel that we did together, and leave your comments below and tell us which part of this video was your favorite, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.